Hello, I'm Ruthie Allen and I attend Watkins Memorial High School in Pataskala, Ohio. I would like to start off by saying I am so grateful to be in the OSU Honors Engineering program and very appreciative of the chance to be in the IBE program. Looking back at the last few years, marching band has been one of the greatest experiences when it comes to fostering my character and honing in my leadership skills. Initially, I started out as just a dedicated member, putting in the work for myself, taking home my clarinet every day to work on my own musicianship, working on my marching technique, and just focusing on myself. However, upon becoming a clarinet section leader, just putting in the work for myself was not enough. Of course, it was really important to stay focused and diligent on my own, but I had to do that alongside assisting the members of my section. At the beginning of the season, that was something that I struggled with. But instead of struggling with that throughout the season and staying in that habit of only looking out for myself, I turned to other section leaders and their styles of leadership for inspiration. Instituting playing tests, developing closer friendships with the members of my section, and having conversations and listening to feedback about what I needed to improve on and what I needed to give to the members of my section are just some of the methods that I adapted from what I saw. And then I also instituted rewarding playing tests with candy on football Friday nights. And the combination of those two led to the improvement of our morale, productivity, and playing quality within the next few weeks. I also realized that by working to uplift the group, my memorization skills and technical ability were improved. Having that tight-knit group of section leaders to turn to for advice was paramount to the development of my leadership skills and my personal development. Even this year, as drum major in our marching band, I still looked up to the other section leaders. Whenever I was feeling down or feeling exhausted by a test or personal circumstances before a band rehearsal, hearing their enthusiastic practicing and their excitement to just be there and have the opportunity to be alongside the other members of the band never ceased to lift my spirits. In an academic scenario like college, I also thrive off of an environment of like-minded individuals, all dedicated and working toward a common goal, which the IBE program will provide. Creativity is something that I learned through marching band, being creative in my ways to help the section, which is something very important in staying competitive in business and product design. Collaboration and taking initiative is another one of the skills that I just sharpened through marching band, which are, once again, very important when it comes to assuming challenges and collaborations in the business world and in product design. Since I plan to major in mechanical engineering, the IBE program would be beneficial for my understanding of product development, design, and manufacturing, so I could leverage my technical skills in a variety of careers with a strong understanding of business principles. For those reasons, I believe that the IBE program is an excellent match for me and vice versa. Thank you for your consideration.